So let's see. It says, finally, he went slowly at first, his gaze intense, watching her reaction, trying his best not to hurt her. The pain was delicious, melting with pleasure. His restraint drove her knees even higher than it had before. He increased his speed at his thrust, and the thrill took her, pinning her in this one moment in time that felt too good to ever leave. Uh, let's go to this one. Mm, Oh, let's see. He was going to sure he did so like he told. It was gentle but unrelenting as he grasped her hips and threw her to the bed. Mm. He grabbed her hand. He grabbed her and eased inside her, carefully told her to go slow and not harm her. His body writhed. He wanted to pound, but he held on to control, easing in again. She sucked him more quickly this time. He pushed the last few inches on without a doubt that this was as close as as he would ever expect his life holding tight. He pulled out, pushed back in, setting up a rhythm that kept him in control. Anticipation built up inside him, combined with a rush of heat and burn from within every stroke of him, from more sensitive and ready. He was nearing the point of no return. There was no going back for either of them. Tremors started from inside his knees and shot up his thighs, and roaring in harder as he pounded harder, leaning over, taking everything he could. She dropped down, her head on the pillow, turned to the side, open her rumble, trusting him as she promised. That trust, that's running by word. Um, she cried out and tried to pull away, but he held her in place and her blood flowed to the bottom. Okay, I think it's a vampire book. Yeah,